Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore data pipelines with Segment, full guide step by step clearly. To restore data pipelines with Segment, begin by logging into your Segment account. Navigate to the Sources section in the left-hand menu. Identify the source you wish to restore and click on its name. Once on the source page, locate the Settings tab at the top of the screen. Scroll down to find the Data Streams section. Within this section, review the list of existing data streams. Identify the stream that requires restoration. Click on the three dots next to the stream name. Select the Restore option from the drop-down menu. Confirm your selection when prompted to continue with the restoration. After confirmation, the system will begin the restoration process. Monitor the progress of the restoration in the Notifications area. Once the restoration is complete, a confirmation message will appear. Go back to the Data Streams section to verify that the stream is now active. If necessary, reconfigure any settings unique to the restored stream. Test the data flow by sending sample data through the restored pipeline. Check the debugger tool for any errors or issues with the restored data. Ensure that all intended integrations based on the restored data stream are functioning properly. Document any changes made during the restoration process for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.